got the bike back. So I had the dyno jet installed, it was tuned. So I'm just letting it warm up right now, and then we're gonna hit the road and see if I notice a difference. So apparently I have to change out my headlights. Got these cheap suckers from Amazon. I kind of figured they wouldn't be as bright, but I was hoping they would be. I think you're warmed up enough. I don't want to wait no more. Oh wow. Okay. The clutch feels like it engages sooner, which is good. And the throttle does not seem choppy, even on the low end. Look how smooth that is. Come on, man. Quick shout out to JMP Cycles out in Florida, baby. I think that's where they're located. They hooked it up, man. They came through. I was having a hard time finding that Dyno Jet Commander 5. I found Power Commander 3, but it just wasn't what I was looking for. It's not what I was, you know, it's not what I wanted. Yeah, the throttle is much more smoother. So we're tuned for my Yoshi exhaust and stock or aftermarket air filter. So I'll do a little pull for you guys up here. Okay, what's up, power? So yeah, man, the power delivery, it's much more in your face, you know what I'm saying? You want to be holding the on once you twist that throttle. And I mean, I haven't even taken it up to 12,000 RPM, 13. That's where you get most of the power. Don't ever take a turn like that. What the hell was that? Oh, these dash strips are beautiful! Look. Oh my god! You know what? We're gonna follow this big truck. Oh my god, the dash shifts are smooth. Oh my goodness. Holy shit! I was going to stop in here in time to get some gas, but I believe I can make it home. So I'm just going to take a little detour, and then we're going to jump back on the highway. Unless the gas light turns on while I'm in Tassel, then we're going to have to get some gas. But for now, I feel like we're good. So we're going to roll with it, baby. Baby!